Hello, I'm Miss G. Welcome to See You in Class. A word a day. Cacophony. Cacophony is a noun, which means it's a thing, an object, or an idea. A cacophony is a mixture of loud and annoying sounds, all happening at the same time. Here are some sentences that use the word cacophony. The cacophony in the classroom drowned out the teacher. The cacophony of the pond birds was overwhelming. The cat hissed at the cacophony coming from the busy street. After the crash, there was a cacophony of screams from behind. Time for a challenge. List 3 things that might create a cacophony at the park. Think of a time a cacophony might come from behind. List another 4 words associated with the word cacophony. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Bye.